Once upon a time, there was a little cat. And there was a big dog. And then that cat was hiding in the forest. And he was nearby a clover. And she was very clever, but she was also naughty. And then the dog was searching for him, and he didn't find her. So he went in the forest. He went in the road first, and then there was 3 cars, and then got crashed. He went to the garden, and then it took a lot of time when he was almost born like a baby, too, with his mom. His mom was died once all year, and she was died. And also, those 3 cars, they were very naughty. And then, finally, the cat was saved because the dog came back as a baby. And then, but the cat was grown up. She was now his mom. He was her mom, now she is his mom. So I think that's the ending. Bye.